This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. Not all products, features, or services mentioned in this video are available for sale in all countries. Contact your local Dräger representative for more information. Mentioned trademarks are only registered in certain countries and not necessarily in the country in which this material is released. Go to dräger.com/trademarks to find the current status. In this video, we will show you how to mount the FPS-Com Voice Mask Integrated Communication Unit onto the FPS-7000 full face mask and how to prepare the mask for installation. Afterwards, you'll learn how to operate the FPS-Com Voice and how to dismount, clean, and store the communication unit. Before mounting the FPS-Com Voice onto the FPS-7000, you first need to attach the appropriate click-and-go adapter to the mask. You'll need a different adapter depending on whether you're using the FPS-7000 with a head harness or a mask helmet combination. Different adapters are available for each option. Please note, when mounting the click-and-go adapter onto an FPS-7000 with a head harness, both the adapter and the communication unit are available in left side and right side versions. Make sure to select and mount the correct adapter according to your preferred side. Start by using a Torx 20 screwdriver to remove the screw from the chosen side of the visor frame. Discard the screw, but set aside the square nut. Next, position the click-and-go adapter onto the visor frame, ensuring that the square nut stays between the adapter and the lower part of the visor frame. Insert the supplied screw from the top, guiding it through the adapter and into the visor frame. Place the supplied washer between the screw head and the adapter. Tighten the screw by hand. The FPS-7000 is now ready for mounting the FPS-Com Voice. Please note, when mounting the click-and-go adapter onto an FPS-7000 with a mask helmet combination, both the adapter and the communication unit are available in left side and right side versions. Make sure to select and mount the correct adapter according to your preferred side. Start by using a Torx 20 screwdriver to remove the screw from the chosen side of the visor frame. Discard the screw together with the existing washer. Next, position the click-and-go adapter onto the mask helmet adapter, ensuring that the square nut stays between the mask helmet adapter and the lower part of the visor frame. Insert the supplied screw from the top, guiding it through the click-and-go adapter, the mask helmet adapter, and the visor frame. Place the supplied washer between the screw head and the adapter. Tighten the screw by hand. The FPS-7000 is now ready for mounting the FPS-Com Voice. To mount the FPS-Com Voice on the FPS-7000, take the unit and attach it to the click-and-go adapter. A loud click sound confirms that the unit is securely mounted. You can attach the unit to the mask in advance, as the FPS-Com Voice does not have its own battery that requires charging or maintenance. Thanks to the click-and-go system, the FPS-Com Voice can also be attached by the user directly in just a few seconds. Next, insert the radio device cable with QR4 connector into the PTT or RSM. The FPS-Com Voice delivers excellent voice communication with all standard radios using default audio settings. Volume control is adjusted as usual via the radio device, and operation is managed through the separate PTT. This keeps training effort to a minimum. To prevent conflicts between the communication unit and other equipment, the entire housing of the FPS-Com Voice has been optimized. The microphone is directly integrated into the housing to avoid snagging. The user does not need to adjust the microphone manually, as it automatically positions itself at the optimal location for voice capture. To remove the FPS-Com Voice from the mask, please press and hold the Quick Release button and pull the unit downwards. Then disconnect the connector from the separate PTT. The quick and easy detachment and subsequent equally quick attachment to the next mask enables a rapid changeover between the emergency services without any loss of time. To make the cleaning process as efficient as possible, the FPS-Com Voice can be removed by pressing the Quick Release button once and cleaned manually, separate from the mask. The Click and Go adapter can remain mounted on the mask during cleaning. This keeps the mask cleaning process unchanged. The FPS-Com Voice can be cleaned by hand with a cleaning cloth or a lint-free damp cloth, depending on the degree of dirt. The unit should not be cleaned with a hard brush, as this could damage the membranes. The FPS-Com Voice can be stored indefinitely without charging or maintenance, as it has no internal battery. Power is supplied by the tactical radio during use. The integrated cable holder ensures neat cable management during use and storage. The FPS-Com Voice also features an integrated UHF tag, providing efficient asset management. An optional ring adapter allows for optimal operational storage. This allows the unit to be stored on a vehicle, a radio, a PTT, or clothing. An optional storage pouch provides additional protection for extended storage.